Hello everyone, myself Ankita Sarkar. I am a part of the GRIP, the Graduate Research Internship Program from the Sparks Foundation from the batch of October 2023 for Data Science and Business Analytics Internship. This video is a short summarization of the Task 1 done as per the internship requires. The Task 1's heading is Prediction using Supervised Machine Learning. I have been given a data set which can be accessed through the link here. This is a simple linear regression task which involves only two variables. The objective of this task is to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours and to predict what will be the score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day. Let's begin with the code. Firstly, I have imported all the necessary libraries, that is pandas, numpy, matplotlib and scikit-learn. Post that, from the given link I have extracted the data, as you can see, and printed 10 of the top, the first 10 line entries. As you can see, it's printed over there. Post that, I have found out the shape of the data set, which happens to be 25 and 2. That is, there are 25 line entries and the number of variables are just 2, which happens to be hours and scores. Post that, I have checked the info of the data. Next, I have found out the statistical summary of the data by using the code data.describe, which can be seen over here. The second task that I went into was data visualization, where I tried to plot hours studied versus the percentage score. From this graph, we can clearly see that there is a positive linear relationship between the number of hours studied and the percentage of the score. As the hour studies increases, the percentage score also increases. Next, I created the linear regression model as the problem task demand. Here, I have split the data into training and testing data set, keeping 80% of the information as training data and the leftover 20% as the testing data. Next, using scikit-learn.linear model, I have trained the model. Then, training the algorithm. After I train the algorithm, I get a prompt that says the training is complete. Post that, I have gone to plot again the linear regression line. As we saw previously, this data, based on this, I have plotted the linear regression line. This is the line. Next, checking the accuracy scores for the training and the test set, we find that the test score is 0.967, which is about 0.97, and the training score being about 0.95, which is an excellent scores. Post that, I have gotten the value of y-test and y-predict, and of the y-predict I have just tried to extract the data of 5 data points. As you can see, I have calculated what is the actual data that was given to us, the actual number of our studies by the predicted from the linear regression. And this is the final output. Again, there was an objective question that asked to predict the score for 9.25 hours of input of studies. We see a student who studies for about 9.25 hours a day gets a score of about 92.39, about 93%. So our model was able to predict that. Last but not the least, I have done model evaluation matrix to check for the mean square error and the mean absolute error, which come out to be 1404 and 33 respectively. This is the first task of my internship and I was successfully able to complete it. Thank you.